replacing conductive film or silicon film. This is a JD040 conductive film. We're gonna remove the left and right button to remove the conductive film. Now we will remove the left and right button in the top of the controller. If you can see here, they are already removed. Just slightly to remove the conductive film, or we call it conductive silicon, just like this. And this is our new conductive film to replace from our PS4 controller. Now we are already set the conductive film, and this is the JDM040. Now put it all back together, the left and right bottom in the top, to put it correctly.